so what I forgot to mention was, besides the raw pizza, I'm going to show y'all how to make the raw cheese. I'm going to show y'all how to make the raw bread, the raw crust, which can also be used as a raw crust and a raw wrap. And I also have here some raw sea moss. I'm going to show y'all how to make that. Okay, I have the raw sea moss preparing. Alright, get you a close up on that. Okay, I'm going to show y'all how to make the raw sea moss. Okay, which is a delicious drink that throughout the Caribbean, Caribbean folk drink a lot, and it's very nutritious. It's like a meal in and of itself. Okay, so yeah, a lot of things. I'm not deviating from the history, but I just wanted to bring some other information to my viewers that I think can be beneficial. Health and wellness is very important, and a lot of our people are dying in these hospitals because they don't know how to help their body to help itself. Okay, but anyway, until the next time, dog,